Everybody, I am Dr. Madhura. I am physiotherapist from PhysioCure Clinic. This video is for the patient with Bell's palsy or facial paralysis, or for the patient who had an episode of stroke and has affected the face. So in Bell's palsy or facial paralysis, there is sudden weakness of one side of the muscles of the face. So either it is the right side or it is the left side. So it is because of the damage or dysfunction of the cranial nerve, that is the seventh cranial nerve. And we diagnose it, or we come to know by looking on it, like which side of the face has been drooped. The paralysis of the muscles may be complete or it may be partial, depending on how many branches of the seventh cranial nerve, that is the facial nerve, is been damaged. The muscles which are paralyzed, they shrink and shortens in size, causing contractures, and these contractures can become permanent. So before going into the permanent stage, physiotherapy plays very important role in it. Exercises that I'm going to show you in this video might look little funny, but for the patient who are suffering from Bell's palsy or facial paralysis, they understand the pain behind it and how difficult it is to do these. First exercise is eyebrow raise. So in this you will be raising your eyebrows up like this. So if you're not able to do this with the affected side, you can take help of a finger and do the movement like this. To keep here and take it up. So moving to the second exercise, it is frowning. So you need to frown your eyebrows like this. So if you're not able to do this with the affected side, again make the use of your finger. You have to keep here in the eyebrows and frown. Going to the next, this is the third exercise, is flaring your nose. So in flaring, you need to flare your nose. You have to blow it up. So if you're not able to flare your nose, what you can do is you can block one side of the nose and take the breath in and out from the same side, that is from the affected side. So I'm blocking this nose. Okay, so this will gradually activate the muscle and then you can start flaring with both the nose simultaneously. Next is closing your eyes tight like this and then open. Again, tight, close and open. So once you learn this, then you will do this with the resistance, that is with the pressure. So how to do this? Again, you're going to close your eyes and try to open it with your fingers, but you have to close it so tight that it doesn't open, and then relax. Again, close and try to open, but you hold it tight and then you relax. Exercise is smiling. Simply try to smile when you look at yourself in the mirror. Just smile. If you're not able to smile, then take help of a finger and do the same. Sixth exercise is blow air in the mouth like this. So if you're not able to maintain that air in the mouth, if there is any leakage of air, then what you can do is you can hold it like this and keep the air in the mouth. So this helping this will prevent the air to leak and you can maintain it for longer time. The seventh exercise is clenching your teeth like this. Just press it on one another and try to clench it. The eighth exercise is open and shut the jaw like this. Okay, the ninth exercise is moving the jaw sideways like this. These were the exercises that can be helpful for one of you suffering from Bell's palsy or facial paralysis. I hope that these exercises were helpful. Please share in the comment section below about your experience with these exercises. And if you have any query about Bell's palsy or paralysis or about stroke, you can reach out to us.